Morning, Max. Rugăciune de miercuri. Rugăciune la începerea lucrului. Captain's log. Stardate 40.328.114.E1006.790. Good morning, people. It's 3 a.m. and I'm here to pick up Max, or Max pick up me, and we're going to Prince George, which I haven't been in a long time. So I'm excited because I like that road a lot. Morning, Max. You ready? I hope so. Rugăciunea de miercuri. Doamne atotputernice și atot îndurate, mi-aduc aminte că te-ai născut. Rugăciune la începerea lucrului. Welcome to Quesnel. Quesnel. The H is silent. It means little oak tree, I believe. I hope. I remember this little city from a while ago, remembering that I might be mistaken, but it's bigger than the mile houses, like 100-mile houses and stuff like that, and bigger than Williams Lake. I believe I saw that has an airport and a hospital on the left side, so that's what I remember. Also, in my little research that I did about the city, I found that it has the world's largest gold pan. So I presume that becomes from the gold rush, and it's in like it's in downtown. I'm wondering, I didn't search this, but I should search, and I'm gonna search it and I'm gonna put it in the blog if I find it. I'm wondering if they, like, in that frying pan they did like a black big cereal with, like, I don't know how many liters of milk and how many boxes of cereal. That would be fun. That would be like a good April Fool's. Also, I read that they have a bunny problem, so I guess the people need to be more active than the bunnies, so they overpopulate. You get what I mean? And while I didn't experience this today when I was driving, it seems that they have their own unique style of driving, which is Quesnel Quesnel, Quesnel merch. I'm sorry if I'm like mispronouncing your name. You didn't make it easy on us, so. But I'm willing to learn. And I think this merge is like kind of Canadian merge, where in winter there's no proper lane and it's like good luck, choose a lane. Same here, I presume. And it seems also like they find some dinosaurs fossils here, according to little research. Anyway, the entry in the city, the bridge, and overall the vibe of the city or small town, whatever they like to call themselves, I like it. I didn't been to Williams Lake because again with truck, but this one I like.
Thank you, Randy. I wish I know how to pronounce this name. Quesnel, Quesnel, no idea.